People keep saying AI is going to replace jobs, but what most people don't talk about is this. AI is also creating brand new ways to make money online, especially for beginners. So in this video, I'm going to break down realistic ways people in the US are using AI tools to earn money online in 2025. No hype, no fake screenshots, just methods that actually make sense. Let's start with the biggest misconception. You do not need to be a programmer. You do not need years of experience. You don't even need expensive software. You just need to understand how AI tools can save time and how saving time equals value. The first method is AI freelancing. Right now, businesses are paying people to use AI tools on their behalf, not because they can't use AI, but because they don't want to. For example, small businesses need things like product descriptions, email drafts, social media captions, short video scripts, and simple blog posts. Tools like ChatGPT can create these in minutes. Your job is not to be AI. Your job is to deliver results faster. On platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, beginners are charging anywhere from $15 to $50 per task just for organizing, editing, and delivering AI-generated content correctly. That's real money for simple work. The second method is AI digital products. This is where things get interesting. People are using AI to create planners, journals, prompt packs, Notion templates, resume templates, and even kids' activity books. Once created, these products are uploaded to sites like Etsy or Gumroad. The key here is leverage. You create the product once, it can sell over and over again. This is not instant success, but it is scalable. Some beginners make their first sale in a few days. Others take weeks. But once a product works, it keeps working. The third method is AI-assisted affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to start. Instead of writing long reviews yourself, you use AI to help structure scripts, comparisons, and explanations. Then you create short videos, blog posts, or simple reviews around products people are already buying. When someone purchases through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. You don't need to own the product. You don't handle shipping. You don't deal with customers. Your job is clarity. Another growing opportunity is AI voiceover services. Many creators don't want to record their own voice. They want clean, professional narration. Using AI voice tools, people are creating voiceovers for YouTube videos, ads, audiobooks, and social content. Small projects pay $20 to $100 per audio file. Again, the value is speed and consistency. And finally, one of the fastest growing services right now is AI content repurposing. Creators and businesses have long videos and podcasts. They need those turned into shorts, reels, and clips. AI tools help cut, subtitle, and format this content quickly. People charge per clip, per video, or monthly retainers. This works because attention is currency. Here's the most important thing to understand. AI is not a shortcut to success. It's a shortcut to execution. The people making money are not the smartest. They are the ones who pick one method, learn one tool, and stay consistent. If you're starting today, don't try everything. Choose one method, practice it, deliver real value. That's how AI becomes income, not overnight, but step by step. If you want more realistic online income ideas without fake promises, subscribe. We build this the right way.